Hello, welcome to Wednesdays with Vani. And these video series are my personal reflection coming out to you from my personal journal. Something that I might have scribbled around the book or I might have written after I faced a situation in my life. I have realized looking at my Instagram and also Facebook that I have a lot of mixed crowd, and so many of you are at the prime of your youth and you are following me. So I am trying to keep the content which could cater to everyone. So what better way to start this conversation, this video series, other than the topic love? I think love is such a beautiful expression, such a beautiful emotion that all of the human beings all need that. We all are driven by love. I think that there are three categories of energies when it comes to love. There is the energy of people who love us because they need us in order to complete themselves. They need a companion to fulfill their loneliness, their insecurities, and their narcissistic requirement of validation. They love us because they see that we are in some ways fulfilling some sort of gap in their life. And the moment we stop providing that, or the moment we get exhausted fulfilling that need, the relationship, kind of doesn't work. Second kind of the energy level of love, which is mostly where people attract to us or feel that we are important or want to be with us because they feel inspired with who we are, what we do, how we seem on our social media. And we all know that we all have our shadow sides as well. So the moment that Superman suit, the moment we take it off, and the moment that they have to deal with the shadow side of us again. And then there's a third kind of energy. The people who love, accept, and embrace us for who we are. Whether we are looking the most beautiful people on earth, or we are in our ugliest, whether we are successful or we are failure, whether we are happy or we are crying, like they need the whole book. They will be with us no matter what. When we become the vibration, the level 3 energy of the love, all our needs of having someone to validate us, to fulfill the void in our life, dissipates. So the question is that how to vibrate in level 3 energy of love. Many people, many teachers call this energy as love and above vibration, where we do not need validation from outside. The moment we start saying yes to level 3 energy, it means that we start embracing ourselves. It means that we start to do things which will make us love ourselves more. And if that means being healthy, so be it. If that means personal growth, we do that. If that means sleeping on time, we do that. If that means saying no to the things that is an obligation and which exhausts us, we do that. That means creating boundary around us, we do that. You also start manifesting connections which are special, which vibrate in same energy. Either the people around you, the same people become those, or you get new people. Now, especially to my young viewers who are right now in the school and colleges, I really want to tell you guys to start embracing yourself, to start embracing all part of yours, the good, the bad, the ugly, your sexuality, your gender, your fluidity in your gender. Just start embracing all those parts and do not let anyone else tell you how you should be or who you should be. Find it within yourself. Let us start becoming the person that we want to fall in love with. And I'm sure the rest of it will settle. So what are you waiting for? Stop everything else and start loving yourself. I bet you're not gonna regret it. Love you guys.